Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError tuple object does not support item assignment. In Python, tuples are immutable objects, which means that once they are created, their values cannot be modified. This error occurs when you try to assign a value to an element of a tuple. For example, when you run this type of code, then you will get this error. In this case, the error message, TypeError, tuple object does not support item assignment, will be raised, because you are trying to modify the value of the first element of the tuple t.to. Fix this error, you can either create a new tuple with the desired values or use a different data structure such as a list, which is mutable and allows item assignment. For example, now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. Note that changing a tuple to a list or vice versa may affect the performance and memory usage of your program, so you should choose the appropriate data structure based on your specific needs. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.